Okay guys, we'll just hit a couple of 3-woods downrange here. Longer club, probably a little bit more load on the plane so you can see the plane a little better. Very hard to hit it out of the, when I'm standing in a gully here, but we'll make the necessary adjustment. About 235, 240 to the back fence down there. Hard wind off the right. That's down there. It's really down there. And I like to do this, guys. I mean, when you've got lies like this that are awful, you know, feet below the ball, all types of things, and even when I'm trying to learn something new, I never do it from perfect conditions, because I know that I just want to build the swing with all the associated normalities of when we play golf. Yeah, well guys, it just works with everything. It really does work with everything. I just hit a couple of drivers down there. Just excuse me for a minute. I'll go and get a couple of tees. I've got one here in my pocket. I'll just hit 2. You might be able to see the flight. That might go a bit too high, but hard to hit a driver when your feet are in the gully. See if I can blow it over the back fence down there. About 200 and probably 240, it's about 255 yards to carry it into that little right to left wind. Yeah, that's right over it. Just straight over it. Exactly the same shot as the 3-wood, guys, only about 30 metres longer in the air. Okay, just a couple of shots down range, not going to hit a lot, just to give you an idea of what the longer clubs look like down range. And I'm just still testing some audio and some visuals. Okay guys,